Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now we have here a 2008 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, let's find out the price or the value of a 2008 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition, 2008 Lincoln penny. Okay, okay. Let's find out. Here we go. The most valuable 2008 penny with no mint mark sold to date was certified MS69 RD by third-party grader Numismatic Guarantee Company. It fetched $295 in a 2021 auction. Okay, I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.